Anthony is a highly functioning adult, smart, intelligent, but he needs assistance with things like finances. It comes easy for us, but not so easy for him. So he needs a good advocate. He needs somebody to advocate for him, make sure that he's not taken advantage of.
Anthony Williams is a young man who has special needs. He'd rented, showed responsibility, paid his rent on time, and the whole entire bit. And so he wanted to become a homeowner.
They passed a law or whatever a couple years ago that people with disabilities are able to purchase their own home now.
If he purchases a home, what that will do for him is that one day when I'm not maybe here to work with him, whether it be for any kind of reason, Anthony will never have to be basically uprooted. So he doesn't have to be bounced around anymore. He calls me dad and I call him son. So that's our, that's really our actual relationship. So he's part of the family.
His caregiver, Eddie Young, approached the bank and asked them about making a mortgage so he could buy a house.
We initially worked with a local bank, but when it was time for it to go to underwriting, because he was on Social Security and because he has a representative payee to assist him with his finances, it was a hurdle that they just could not get over. He went crazy.
Got angry and started punching and slamming the door and stuff, and upset and just frustrated.
It was heartbreaking. It was a blow because we were so close, and then they said no, and it was just like a crushing blow.
Eddie reached out to me after running into an issue with another lender.
And so I explained the whole situation. I went from top to bottom.
One of the forms of payment that Anthony receives is in the form of a stipend that's handled and actually paid to his caregiver. And the other lender would not allow that to be considered acceptable income.
In a nutshell, what no one could do, Fairway was able to do in a matter of weeks.
It sounded like something Fairway could do. Fairway is a wonderful mortgage company, and I've worked for many, so I personally know that the way they do things is very different. Number one, they welcome challenges. They're not afraid of something that's different. There were checks and balances all along the way to make sure that Anthony's going to have the means to make the mortgage payment. Anthony was ecstatic. He was ecstatic. He was excited. Well, you gonna show me around? Yeah. Okay.
All right, yeah, he's gonna give you the tour. You want minutes right now. Doing the process.
Yeah.
And just appreciate them giving me the loan to where I can get the house. And thankful that they gave me a chance.
So my thing with low mod borrowers and low moderate income, helping them is just part of who I am. I do feel like I not only have a mission to serve that low mod market and be an advocate for them, I feel like Fairway is the place I'm supposed to be to do that.